Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you around.
So the voice you just heard, that wasn't my voice. It is the voice of an AI developed by ElevenLabs. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to generate this kind of voice using an AI platform called ElevenLabs. So without taking much of our time, let's get started. So all you need to do to come to ElevenLabs is to come to your browser and type in Google search.com, and then you can come over here to the Google search and type in ElevenLabs. Okay, and you can see it over here, beta.elevenlabs.io. Prime AI text to speech, voice cloning, you can do all of them from here. And once you click on beta.11.io, you're brought into this very website. You can see Prime Voice AI, the most realistic and versatile AI speech software. 11 brings the most compelling, rich, lifelike voices to creators and publishers seeking the ultimate tools for storytelling. Now, if you want to test this very feature, you can just come over here. You have the option to write in some things. You can write some text and it can give you the preview based on what's available. So for this tutorial, I'm going to put in some text over here and let me see if it's going to generate a voice for me. So just for testing, without even signing in or doing any kind of sign up, you can just test and see what kind of voice can you generate. Let's say I pass this text. Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Now let's see how the AI is going to read that for me. But then you have the other option before we go into generate. You have the option to select between a bunch of readers over here. Okay, you can see there are ready-made readers that you can try. So let's say we can try this first one. There could be male and female depending on your choice. And over here to your right, you'll be able to see the word count, the character count. Right now you have 127 characters and you have out of 333 characters. So to run a test of this text to speech, you can just come over here. After selecting the reader, you can just come and click to read.
Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.
I think that sounds very professional and human-like, not robotic at all. You want to try one more? You can just come over here. I like Anthony, so let's hear from Anthony how he's going to read this.
Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.
That was fantastic. And you could go ahead and download it from here, or you can regenerate this voice if you so wish. But then it's going to say it in a different way. Let's try one more time.
Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.
I think you could hear the variation. That is the main purpose of this feature. Once you click it, it's going to regenerate and keep regenerating the voice in different formats. So to get started with ElevenLabs, all you need is to check out the pricing and what you are entitled to. So these are the pricing. I think they are pretty cheap when compared to other websites, other sites that I have used to generate AI voices or video, text to video. You can see with free version, you have option to do long form speech. You can have up to 10,000 characters per month to develop your speech from here. And you can create up to 3 custom voices, because later on I will show you how you can create your own customized voice with this very simple app. Okay, you have API access and you have English language. Attribution is also required whenever you generate a voice from here. Maybe in your YouTube channel, you can go to the description and put some attributions. So one thing I want you to pay attention to is the pricing. Is very cheap. And then down here you have some question and answers which I found exceptionally useful. For example, how much characters do you have when you start? Okay, for a non-subscriber you can have up to 2,500 characters. Voice generation, you can have up to 2,500, that's the limit. If you are a subscribed member, you can have up to 5,000 characters to try, okay, at a time. And you can have, you have to use, of course, you have to give them credit in case if you're a free user by just typing on this or this. 11.io, ElevenLabs.io, all are okay. How do I know how many characters? Once you log in, you can change my subscription plan, yes. And I change every request, the billing approval, and cancellation of a thing. So these are exceptionally questions, that are useful questions. You can just go through it. But then without wasting much of our time, let's just go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, you can just come over here. You have the option to sign up from your Gmail, okay, using your Gmail account, or you can sign up with your Facebook account. If you don't have a Facebook and you don't have a Gmail, you have any other email address, you can go ahead. You don't need to have a Gmail or any other email and password. You can just go ahead and sign up, just type in your email, password, and then you will just go ahead and click on sign up. It's very easy and straightforward. So let me sign up and I will meet you at the other side. So after signing up, you will receive this email in your own email, the one that you've used in recording, in registering. You will receive this email to verify the email that you have used. You just click on this link to make sure you verify it. After clicking the link, you'll be prompted to this page. Your email has been verified, which means you're good to go. Now, once you sign in, after registering, you sign in, you'll land on this speech synthesis, okay? Speech synthesis. This is where all the features happen. This is where all the creation happens. The first thing you see is you can check out the settings. Over here, you have the pre-made voice. You can have all the other voices. You can preview any voice from here. For example, you can just click and you'll be able to hear the voice.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by coming into the present.
Good. So you can preview any voice of your choice.
Not what we have, but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance.
Good. That's all. You can just preview.
For the people shall not perish from.
That is just to test the readers, okay? So at this point, I want to select a reader, and like I said, I like Anthony, and it's not just Anthony alone, but you can fix in some settings based on the voice by coming into voice settings. Now from voice settings, you have stability. As you move across, you have more stable voice, and as you move downward, you can have less stable voice. I like the voice as it is, and I don't want to touch anything from here. But in cases if you want to make an adjustment, you can just come over here and make your adjustments as you so wish. Then you have clarity and similarity as enhancement. You can come to the right and I make it high, or to the left and make it low, or you can come down here and reset to default at any given point. Later, I will show you how to add a particular voice on your own. Now down here, you have the text box. This is where you put in all your text, all the text you want to read, you type it over here. And then once you type the text, you can see the character limits. Like I've explained to you, you have up to 2,500 characters at a go, and you have total of 10,000 characters per month as a free user. Okay, so you see the remaining characters by the right over here, and you see what you are the characters you are entering at a time. The word count, you can see it also from here. So down here you have the play feature, and then you can undo or redo the reading by 10 frames. And down here you have the option to download what you have generated, or you can click over here to share it on all of these platforms if you have access to any of them. And that is the basic. Let's try some given text and see how we can generate a very fantastic voice by Anthony. Okay, so let's see if we could generate some voice from this text. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you around. Let's see if Anthony is going to read it for us.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you around.
That was perfect and fantastic. But then let's try one voice from a female. Come here, select Eli, and let's hear I read this very text.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you around.
That was perfect. So if you like what you see, you can just go ahead and come over here. You can thumbs it up or down, and you can download it directly from here. Just click and you have your voice directly downloaded. So you can click to go to the location where you have it, and then you can just have a test of it. Double click just to have a test of it outside of the website.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you around.
Now that was perfect. according to what I planned. And you can go ahead and share also in those platforms like I've explained, these ones. Okay, so that was speech synthesis. You could come to the voice lab over here. So this is where you can create your own voice from instant voice cloning or voice design. You can do all this from here. So the only thing you should know is that you have to provide the voice that you want to clone. Maybe if it's your voice, you have to provide your own voice of over 1 minute where you have spoken for over 1 minute. You just have to be careful with the user copyright issues. So you make sure it's your own voice or a voice that you have complete right over to use. So all you need as a starter, you have up to 3 voices. You can generate up to 3 voices. If you are new, if you are unsubscribed, you have the option to do up to 3 voices. So all you need is just to come over here, click on add a voice. You can do voice design using their own generated AI, or you can do instant cloning, okay, which is just for starter users. So you have to be a starter user to use the instant voice cloning. But for now, let me just show you how to do a voice design using their own feature. Okay, so you can create a gender. What kind of gender are you? Okay, you just put in male, for example, a male, and you could specify your age. Is it young, middle-aged, or old? You can say I'm middle-aged. The American, the accent, what kind of accent do you want? Is it American? Is it African? Of course, my own is African. And then you could go ahead and choose on the accent strength. How do you want it? Is it high? Is it low? Is it medium? So you could check the strength from here. Okay, so let's say I leave it at default. I just want to leave it at default. And then you can see some sample text. First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter. So this is just a test. But then if you have your own particular text, you can just bring it over and paste it here. So let's say I just paste in my text, and let's go ahead and click on generate.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Rashid, the CEO of Epic Digital Academy. Please remember to subscribe to my channel.
I think that was fantastic. Well, you can use this to generate different kind of voice, and then later you can have access to it. Okay, so you can make your selections all through from here, and then you can go ahead and specify how you want it to be generated. So the last thing I want to show you is the history. You can come all the way to history, and you'll be able to see the voices that you've created. You can decide to play any of them, or you can decide to download or see how you can make use of it. Well, this is where you have access to all the voices or history of what you have worked on in this platform. Then you have the resources over here. If you're interested in learning more or checking different kind of blog posts or thereabout, you can check it from here. Down here, you'll be able to have access to your profile and your subscription to know whether you are almost done with your subscription or you've exhausted your units in terms of the word characters that you have used or not. You can be able to see everything from here, and your subscription plan will be able to see everything from here. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that does it for this tutorial on how to generate an AI voice from ElevenLabs. Please go ahead and give it a try and experience the beauty of this website that gives you human-like voices that you can replicate for your content creation. So thank you so much for watching, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find any value in it, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more and more videos like this. I will see you in my next video. Bye.